Hello children, let's continue the remaining part of lesson number 15, a memorable ceremony. Last we have seen why did Shivaji have himself crowned capital of Swaraj and the preparations of coronation. Next we have the coronation ceremony. The coronation day dawned. It was indeed the most auspicious day. Musicians began to play on their instruments. Singers began to sing. Music and singing filled the air. There was an atmosphere of joy everywhere. Shivaji Raje sat on a golden seat in full regalia. A canopy, chhatri and the fans were held over his head. There were priests, each one carrying vessels of ghee, dahi and honey. Gagabhat himself carried a gold vessel filled with the waters of the 7 rivers. So finally the coronation ceremony was started. Shivaji Maharaj, he had taken a golden seat and everywhere music and song was around all over the environment. And then the coronation ceremony began. All priests were there and they were carrying ghee, dahi and honey. Gagabhat, he was the chief priest. Gagabhat कौन थे? सबसे important priest थे. And he had carried the waters. Which waters? Waters of 7 rivers. Ganga, Sindhu, Yamuna, Godavari, Krishna, Narmada and Kaveri. ये सारे रिवर्स का वाटर एक साथ एक ही बाउल में रखा था इन द गोल्डन वेसल. टर्न टू नेक्स्ट पेज. Kids, you can see on page number 58 the coronation ceremony. You can see Maharaj and all the people standing around him. Come to next page. Next, page number 59. So, the waters of the 7 rivers and sea was holded by Gagabhat. Gagabhat held the vessel over Shivaji's head and started reciting the coronation mantras. From 100 tiny holes in the vessel, water started dripping down on Shivaji's head. After ablution by the sacred water, Shivaji Maharaj got up and bowed before Jijamata and touched her feet. Jijamata held him in close embrace. Her eyes were filled with tears of joy. Her 30 years' efforts at last bore fruit. The dream she had nursed even before Shivaji's birth had at last come true. The tears in her eyes were tears of joy and fulfillment. Shivaji Maharaj was deeply moved. Glory be to both of them. So what did Gagabhat had done? That water which he was carrying, he started dripping down from the Maharaj head. Ablution. What do you mean? After the snan of 7 waters, Shivaji Maharaj had touched the feet of Jijamata. And how was Jijamata feeling? She was feeling very proud. And finally she said that all the efforts have given the fruits. After meeting Maa Sahib, Shivaji Maharaj sat on the throne. Maharani Soyrabai and the crown prince Sambhaji Raje sat next to him. His 8 ministers stood on either side. So next, where did Maharaj sat? He sat on the throne. मतलब उनकी गद्दी, राजगद्दी पर वो बैठ गए. और उनके साइड में कौन थी? महारानी सोराबाई और उनके बेटे संभाजी, प्रिंस संभाजी. On the next side, there were 8 ministers. Gagabhat held the canopy lined with gold and pearl tassels over his head and said, "Victory be to Shiva Chhatrapati, now crowned king, the ornament of the race of warriors." So, after the meeting Ma Sahib, he sat on the throne, Shivaji Maharaj, and beside him Soyrabai and Prince Sambhaji was there. 8 ministers, they stood on the either side. Gagabhat, he had held the canopy lined with gold and pearl tassels. It means the crown. उनके हाथ में क्या था? Crown था. And he had crowned Shivaji Maharaj saying, victory be to Shiva Chhatrapati. And then everyone present followed suit and in one voice wished victory to शिवाजी महाराज. और बाद में क्या हुआ, सभी लोगों ने क्या विश किया, शिवाजी महाराज को कॉन्ग्रेचुलेट किया. Guns were fired from fort after fort. The whole of Maharashtra echoed with one voice. पूरी महाराष्ट्र में किसकी वॉइस थी, शिवाजी महाराज की जय. Shivaji's coronation took place in 1674. So what was the year? कोरोनेशन कब हुआ था, कब शिवाजी महाराज को की क्राउनिंग हुई थी? In the year 1674. From that year, Shivaji Maharaj started a new calendar, the coronation calendar. He became a great king like those in whose name people start a new era. उन्होंने एक नया किंगडम स्टार्टअप किया. He struck his own coins. Some foreign envoys means messengers, were present at the coronation. The English had sent their envoy Oxenden with valuable presents. Some foreign peoples भी थे. One was Oxenden. One envoy was Oxenden who had given valuable presents to Shivaji Maharaj. Subjects from far off areas and places had also come to see this ceremony. The whole world came to know of the big event. Shivaji's fame spread everywhere. And finally, सब लोग वहाँ पे गैदर हो गए थे फॉर द कोरोनेशन सेरेमनी एंड एवरीवन कम टू नो दैट शिवाजी महाराज is the person who had set up the Swaraj. So kids, here we are ending up with the lesson. Okay, read the full chapter. Bye bye.